Welcome to Senior Counselor Channel. Today we are going to learn how we can use our Ghana card in place of NHIS card, that is health insurance card, and this is the code *929#. Yes, you can use MTN, Vodafone, and any of the network. Yes, in doing this. So let's go ahead and see whether we can send it and then we get started. And this is the next stage. The next stage is we are going to use, or we are going to choose option 3. Option 3, new registration. Option 3, new registration. Yes, let's send it and see how option 3, the next steps of option 3, and see what will give it to us. Yes. Option 3, new registration with Ghana card coming soon. In the meantime, if you have an existing health insurance card, you can link it to your Ghana card and renew it. So very soon they are going to use Ghana card in place of NHIS card, which is health insurance card. So you are not going to use health insurance card with this one again. Thank you.